Hello everyone, today we're going to see about the database management experiment number 5 dealing with subqueries and correlated subqueries. Getting to our questions, the first question is retrieve the name of the student who enrolled for a course. Now, in subqueries, we usually deal with two or more queries using where in various operators. There are also different type of subqueries. Some might be single, multiple. So according to the question, we're going to be using them. The first one, retrieve the name of the students who enrolled for a course. So select F name from enquiry. This is the table where enquiry number and then we use in. This is for a single subquery. Select enquiry number from enrollment. So as you can see in the outer query we're using the table enquiry, and in the inner one we're using the table enrollment. So we're using two tables and we're linking it using this attribute enquiry number. So when we use this select first name from enquiry where enquiry number in select enquiry number from enrollment, we get this number of students who have enrolled for a certain course. Now, the second question is display the details of enquiry made between 1st Jan 14 to 1st December 14. Now, there are two ways of doing it. One would be the easy way, using between. So select star from enquiry where enquiry date between 1st Jan to and 1st Jan between 1st Jan 2014 and 1st December 2014, but this is not the usage of subquery. So using a subquery we do it like this. Select star from enquiry where enquiry date in, and then inside the bracket the first subquery comes in. Select enquiry date from enquiry where enquiry date between 1st Jan and 1st December. So this is how you do it using a subquery, and the output is shown here. Now going to the next question, display the name of the people enrolled for Java. So select F name from enquiry where course code equals, select course code from course where course name equals Java. This is basically, see in table enquiry, only the course code is available, whereas in the next table course, the course code along with the course name is available. So in the first query outside, we use the course code, and the course code itself is accessed using the name. So therefore we get the name to the students who have enrolled for Java, which is Sachin here. Now here the next question is display the student name living in the city Bombay and studying the course name Oracle. So the student should study in Bombay, and the course name is Oracle. So here select F name from enquiry where city is Bombay and the course code is Oracle. The course name is Oracle. So again we go back to this table course and then access the course name using the course code and then pass it on to the for the comparison with the previous value, which is of the city, to give out the output. But then as you can see there are no rows selected, which means there are no students satisfying that condition. Now the next question is display the names of students who having city name who having city same as Raja. So here yes, select the first name from enquiry en1 where exists, because we're not sure if this condition is present. So as a result we use exists to avoid any exceptions or errors, to avoid any errors, sorry. So select F name from enquiry en1 where exists. So here we have this select en2 dot city from enquiry en2 where en2 dot f name equals Raja, and the city of the first one should be equal to the second one. So it is basically the same table inquiry, but we use two values, which is en1 and en2, and then compare en1 en2 to Raja, and then thereby compare the cities of en1 and en2. So if en2 is Raja, the en2 dot f name is Raja, so en2 dot city is going to be the value of Raja's place. So this has to match with the next person whoever comes in link. So this would give us the output. Since there are no such people, it is no rows selected. Now the next question is, name the student who has inquired all the courses. Now here we have select F name from inquiry, where city equals CBE and course code equals, I'm sorry, this is the eighth one, which is display the name of students with their city as Coimbatore and course Java and batch code as 101. So here we have it. We have given the city as Coimbatore and the course code equals the course code from batch, where batch code is 101. Again we have no rows selected, so instead of Coimbatore I've given another city, which is ERD, and following the same query pattern, here we have the name Sachin. Now yeah, now getting back, name the student who has inquired all the courses. Now here we have select F name from inquiry where exists, like if exists. Select course code from inquiry where course code in select course code from inquiry. So here as you can see, we use the table inquiry, and from using the table inquiry we see the name. The different attributes which are used is the first name, then we have the course code. So all the course code, yeah, so all the course code from inquiry are put into this query, and from here we access it from the outside, that is select F name from inquiry. So thereby getting the the student who has inquired all the courses. Now here are the names given. Now the next question is, name the course which is studied by all the students. Here again we have select F name, select course name from course where exists, and then we have the same pattern, because the only courses which we have is in the table are Java and Oracle, so thereby we've compared with using their course codes, which is 10 and 20. So none of them have yet completed as per our table, so we get the output as no rows selected. With this we complete our 5th DBMS record. Thank you.